Oh, you recognize this? That's right. This is the new vending machine they put back in November. See? And now I'm going to get something out of this baby. Let's just see what's in here. Alright, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna buy some. Let's see here. Not that food source theater. Let's see. Why is it so hard to pick out of? Okay, come on, let's get something out of this somehow. Wait. Sure, this stick around, but enough so I'm for a bit. The food source will be good. These are easy to eat. I'm probably gonna get some Wonka nuts. I always like having these. Now this is how the vending machine works. Once you put money into this baby here. Here we go. So the number is let's see, 504. So 504. So
Are you guys doing this? Yeah. Okay.
you know. Wow. What the fuck? I don't got them at all. Just look. Let me go get this. Oh, this is what's called an epic fail. Let's look at this. They don't got me the food. So here's what I'm gonna do. Well, I'm gonna go over this. Alright, so $2. What the hell? That's $2. Look at this. I need $5. Which I think I already had $5. So check it out one last time. Come on, it's thing. Oh yeah, that was a fail.
We're gonna wait for.
Well, it failed last time, so I really hope you guys like this vending machine video and stay tuned for some more. So we are clear. Bye.